4 websites to earn $30,000 per month. I'm going to show you the 4 websites I use to create $30,000 per month and how you can do the same just following my strategy. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a game plan on how you can put everything together to actually create that $30,000 a month just like I did. I actually have a new program that's going to be releasing here soon. So if you go ahead and click the link in the description of this YouTube video and go ahead and put in your name and your email, then you're going to be notified whenever I do come out with that program here on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I do release a new video on this channel, you'll be notified and you'll never miss a video on this channel. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hop into my computer where I'm going to share with you the strategy on what you need to do with these 4 websites to earn $30,000 per month, just putting everything together and then also giving you a game plan. So website number 1, you will need this website to actually build your platform. And to be real with you, the whole concept now that we have COVID and different things like that, it's much more safer to actually build out a digital store, meaning that you'll sell products that can be delivered digitally to your customers. Okay, and so that's the concept that I used with this $30,000 a month screenshot that you've seen. I used this website right here to actually build out my digital store. Okay, I built it out on this platform, and the cool thing about it was like every time a customer would actually purchase, I got all the information I needed. And then I can do SMS marketing off of this platform because it's attached to so many different types of apps that you can get and use. And so that's the cool thing about it. I love it. I love using it. This is a worldwide platform, so no matter where you're living in the world, you can actually use this platform to actually host all of your products, whether it's digital or not. And so I use this platform right here to just to build out the store and make that happen. So the name of this website is Shopify. Okay, so Shopify is the name of the platform that I use in order to make this, to set up this whole platform to start making money. Okay, and I used the concept because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to create something that I can make money like no matter what, no matter shipping the product or not. Like it's all digital. Like everything gets shipped to the customer immediately. Or I also had services on this platform as well. So like monthly subscription type stuff or payment plans and different things like that you can actually do through your Shopify store. And it's pretty cool because you can download this app right here actually to your phone, and you can see the notification of sales coming through. You can see the totals for the week. It's pretty dope. So this website allowed me to hire the right people. It's hard to build a digital platform without having the right people. So I went to this platform right here and I hired my designers to design all of the design work for my website. Basically all of the work that a customer service rep would need to do for digital, because it is slightly different than a physical like e-commerce business. You don't get a lot of inquiries coming in, but there's a lot of back and forth with different customers, so you want them to be able to handle that. So I had to hire customer support as well, a couple of reps there. And so then I had a nice little team going, and then I had someone actually tending to the live chat on the website. So if anybody came in there with any type of questions or objections or whatever, they could just hit the live chat and we'd be able to answer any questions, which really aided in getting higher ticket sales through the store while I was using that store. So I hired like I said, I hired my entire team here. It's actually free. There is no cost to actually have set up here. And so that's the cool thing about it. I just put up some posts on there and people reacted, and then I just interviewed some people and I chose the right team to set up with this. But that's mainly the team that I had: 2 customer service reps. I had 1 graphic designer, and I did have one video editor on there as well. And so with that being said, guys, I'm going to go on to the next website, which is called Alibaba. So Alibaba is a website where you can get products for wholesale prices. Basically, whenever you type in, whatever product that you want to get, you can actually utilize this website to make a killing. Alright, so like the whole concept of my digital store was basically centered around me getting samples of, how you would be able to, basically start your own brand. And so I got samples from Alibaba with my logos and stuff on there. Okay, I got a watch made with my logo on it, my own branded watch, my own beard line. So like you guys seen some of my earlier videos about this. I utilize those to show people that you can start your own brand. Like you can white label brands that don't have any patents on them, and you can make them your own essentially. And that's what I was basically demonstrating. So I was teaching them that, but then I was giving them the connections that I found. I was selling them the connections that I found basically to get those things made, so they can actually replicate my process to create their own brand, like start their own watches, start their own skincare line, all those different things that I was creating. So I used Alibaba to do the research to find the manufacturers to actually create the things that most people would like to use to create a brand. And so yeah, this is the website that I use. Like I messaged so many people there. Like you can see my Alibaba here. Like I have a gang of messages, 63 messages here. So I did some work on this account here. And so like the next thing that you want to utilize here as well in this next website is Ecom Hunt. See, with Ecom Hunt, like listen, you don't want to like waste your time, creating a brand around products that aren't like popular products. What I do is I do research on this website to find what are the hottest products right now that I could rebrand for my own. Like if I can find these products to manufacture off of the Alibaba website, and I can rebrand it for my own, with my own labeling, everything, then that's going to be the best bet for me to sell my product. That'll give me more confidence knowing that people are buying this type of product anyway. Now, so in being transparent with the strategy, in order for me to hit that 29K month, I did spend a considerable amount of money into advertisement. My profits didn't start really coming in until the second month of actually marketing with this strategy. So if I were to do everything all over again, this is the strategy that I would use before I started actually spending money on the campaigns that I was spending money on. Okay, as I go along, like I could tell you like every detail of what I did before, but it's not as profitable if you don't do it the way I'm sharing with you right here. So number one, you want to first decide on what niche that you want to basically build your brand in. Okay, so you can start a digital business in any niche that you want. You can be a person who likes to cook or bake cookies or whatever the case is. Like you can start a business with that. You can start a business if you like talking about healthy products and what you eat, dieting, whatever it is that you're like into every day, like you have to do, or that actually you enjoy, then that should be something that you should build a brand around. Okay, and you can do that, and you can actually do really well with it. If you're following along with what I'm sharing with you, then you got to decide if you're going to be the face or if you're going to outsource. So what that means is, are you going to actually create the videos yourself, or are you going to hire somebody else to actually create the videos so that you're not the face of the brand? Third, you want to create a YouTube channel around your brand name. Okay, that's very important. Then fourth, you want to recreate viral videos in your niche, or you want to outsource them. So that goes along with the second option there, which is to outsource. And so like you're gonna create viral videos around the niche that you're in. Okay, so if it's physical fitness, then you're gonna find all the physical fitness videos and search terms that you can to start recreating the videos out there that are viral. Like I show in many of my other videos here on this YouTube channel, that you have to go after videos that have 6 months or more, basically of a video that has the characteristics of going viral on that YouTube channel. And so I go more over that in my other videos. So if you want to check back, you can get that information from there. But you want to also do SEO to your YouTube videos, which is number 5. That's mainly just to get it out there so that you have visibility through Google as well with that. And then you'll rank higher in YouTube as well naturally if you do it that way. So you can hire a team. You can use Upwork to do that too as well. You also need to create an Instagram account around your brand. And then I would also do the follow unfollow method. Okay, that means that you're not spending any money to build up your Instagram following, but you're using my strategy on this YouTube channel. You can find it. It's an Instagram video, whatever. Find that video and then follow that strategy. It's a follow unfollow method. Then you're gonna also repost and repurpose viral content on Instagram, or even if you find viral content in your niche or not even directly related, if it's funny, you can repurpose it for your brand and your products, and you'll be able to grow your Instagram account virally and organically. That's what I would do. And then I would also run retarget ads for anyone who hit your website, and that way you're hitting them directly with the right message to actually purchase from you, that this is a real business, blah 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 blah. So that is the game plan that I would use. Anyways, I hopefully this game plan and this whole explanation has given you a good idea to get started with your own personal brand or your own digital business or whatever. That's great. Okay, if you want to learn from me personally, like I said before, you can go ahead and subscribe to my email list, and I will be emailing you whenever I do have an opening to actually launch that program that I'm going to be releasing to the public. So with that being said, you guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.